This is your girl, Chef Afusa. In today's episode, we have Ebunoluwa in our kitchen. She said she wants to learn how to cook perfect Indomie. But before then, let's ask her some few questions. Why she wants to learn how to cook perfect Indomie from your one and only Chef Afusa. So, why did you want to learn how to cook Indomie?
My mommy used to cook Indomie for me every morning when I'm going to school.
Okay.
And I also want to learn how to cook Indomie.
You know Totorisa. So, let's begin. First of all, this is our empty pot. So, you now put it on the fire and cover it up.
Why?
Say you come and cook it. Only berry will see. So after 1 minute, we will now take our Indomie. Hot gas. Put it on our empty pot.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Chef Afusa.
Yes, darling.
Are we cooking Indomie or Indo seed?
Say you will concentrate, or as you close my kitchen. Viewer tell Magbami ke. Abi, which kind of pikin is this one?
We must learn a lesson.
Let's continue.
Must you ask questions? Must you talk?
No problem. God will see us.
So we can now pour our ingredients inside our Indomie.
Photo. Not be juju be that.
So we will now take our cup and pour about 7 to 6 cups of water inside our Indomie to make it more sterile and to make it more enough.
Jesus. 7 cups of water.
Yes.
My mommy don't cook it like that. Right now, I am done learning your cooking. Good day.
The earlier every one of you realizes, the better it will be for us.
As I can see, she's not ready to learn how to cook perfect Indomie. She will not concentrate, and I bet it with you. If you come back, I will never in my life accept you.
And I will never come back. Rubbish.
Hey, Mogbami, which kind of distraction is this game now? So we will now back to our cooking and pour one. See you guys next week. Bye bye.